Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website www.gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices required drivers you can download from there. Then you can see this is search button. You just click on that. After that you enter your model number Z790 DAC motherboard. Then hit enter. So enter the title of the model number. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, which is you using Windows 10 and 11, but both the installation process same. You can select any. You can see this video and install the Windows 10 operating system drivers. So audio driver and click to download. It will start downloading. You can see here. So it is completed. Just single click to open. Then this is exe, so you have to double click on that. Otherwise you can extract and then install. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So it will close automatically, means this is installed, guys. So it is closed means this is installed, and then again this is installed.